guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aviway. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to make lasagna. We're using chicken breast here. I use my food processor to blend them not so smooth. So here are the ingredients I'm using. I just pour them over the chicken breast, then mix them together thoroughly with salt to taste. And here are the vegetables I'm using onion, in love onion and carrots. Thereafter, I proceeded to frying the chicken breast. I made sure once they started turning golden brown, I removed them from the saucepan, then pour in the carrot immediately in the same oil I used to fry the chicken breast. Then in another saucepan, I tried to saute my onion and make sure that it's golden brown. Then I added rosemary for flavor, a fresh rosemary. After that, I took another pot, added some onion. In this recipe, it required a lot of onion. So after frying the onion a little bit, added a little bit of garlic, then pour in my tomato mix that I already prepared with some tomato paste. After it was okay, I added the chicken breast I fried, added the carrots and the onion, and here I was tasting it. You can see my baby also said, "Mommy, give me, I want to taste as well." So after that was done, I set them aside and took some butter. I was using about 400 grams of butter here. I put it on the fire. When it melted, I added 400 grams of flour as well, so it must be the same thing. After frying for some time, as it was turning brown, I pour in milk. I used about 600 grams of milk. It wasn't still enough though. I added water later on because it was becoming too thick. So these are the lasagna sheets. So after that, I just started layering them. So at first, you need to pour the mixture of that mixture you made. You need to put it in a pan first, then layer it with your lasagna sheet like this. Then put the mixture again, then add the sauce, the chicken sauce, then put the mozzarella cheese. I forgot to tell you I'm using mozzarella cheese. So pour in the mozzarella cheese. I think I used about 4 layers. Yes, I did 4 layers of this lasagna, and it came out so nice. The last layer, I made sure that I put a lot of the sauce and a lot of mozzarella cheese. So I used 2 pans. I made this special delicacy for a special friend. JBS words, it's her birthday, so I decided to surprise her at home, and I decided to make some intercontinental dish for her. So after that, I put them in the oven and allow it for about 40 minutes with foil covered it. After 40 minutes, I remove the foil paper and allow it dry also. It become crunchy at the top. And here I was having it. It was so yummy, guys. Would you be trying this out? Please give us a thumbs up if you like this recipe, share it for others to see, and save it for next time before it disappears. Stay tuned for more creative videos. Love you. Bye.